welcome to your YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. In your channel, there are videos related to subjects like mathematics, science, social science, English grammar and general knowledge. So today we will see the topic soil and land pollution. So soil pollution is when there are harmful changes in soil due to adding or dumping of unwanted harmful pollutants such as trash and toxic chemicals. As trash decomposes and chemicals wipe into soil, this causes harmful short and long-term effects to the environment and living organism. Types of soil or land pollution. So there are 4 types of soil and land pollution: trash, factories, mining and farming. So first is trash. Everyone helps to make trash. It is estimated that most people in the United States use more than 4 pounds of trash each day. Even though some of this trash is recycled, most of it is found on the ground or it is put into landfills. Factories. Factories make waste and garbage. Most factories use chemicals that flow into the air or they end up on the ground or in the water. Many of the factories have regulations that make them handle with chemicals a certain way, but many of these chemicals are still released into the atmosphere. Mining. Mining can cause there to be chemicals that go into the air or into the water or soil. When people mine, it causes there to be holes that are put into the ground. These holes can release gases and toxic waste that goes into the environment. Farming. Even though farming is super important, it also causes a lot of pollution. When people farm, they have to use chemicals to keep their plants safe. These chemicals are called pesticides and herbicides. These chemicals are released into the ground and they can end up in our water sources. Animal waste is another thing that releases chemicals into the air. Some of the chemicals released by animal waste can cause there to be a air pollution. How does soil and pollution hurt the environment? Land pollution is one of the pollution that you can actually see with your eyes. You can look around and see trash lying in the streets, on the sides of the roads and more. Land pollution can be dangerous for the people and animals. Other pollution from the farming and mining releases chemicals into the air and the water and it can harm people and animals. Methane is released from landfills and this causes problems with the environment. What are landfills? Landfills are the place that areas put garbage to try to make sure that chemicals are not released into the air and water. Even when they try to prevent it, some chemicals always escape. There are many laws about using landfills. How does soil land pollution hurt our health? Land pollution can hurt our health because of the chemicals that are released into the air and water. When chemicals get into the water and air, it can cause people to be sick and can cause them to have things like breathing problems, skin problems, and even cancer. What are the biodegradable trash? Trash that is biodegradable can help the environment because it can decay and become part of the environment. When it becomes part of the environment, it uses different cycles to be reused. Some items take a very long time to decompose. Decompose means to decay. Items like glass can take years and years to decay. Next is, what can you do to help the environment? How can we help the environment? So let's see. Recycle. Around 33% of trash in the United States is recycled. When you recycle, you add less land pollution. Produce less trash. Some ways to reduce trash includes not using a napkin or paper towel unless you absolutely need one. Drinking water from a cup rather than a plastic bottle, and being sure to properly dispose are harmful trash like batteries and computer equipments. Pick up trash. Don't be a litter bug. Also, you can help out by picking up trash when you see it lying around. Kids, make sure to ask your parents for help before you pick up strange trash. Composting. Get into your parent Get with your parents or school and start a compost heap. Composting is when you collect organic waste and store it so it can break down to where it can be used for fertilizer. Now, the facts about soil and land pollution. People use so much trash that it causes land pollution. Over 33% of the landfills are filled with things that could have been put other places. People make more than 80 million tons of the trash. People recycle so much trash that it helps the environment to be better. People can reduce trash by recycling items like plastic bottles and more. Certain types of litter can kill animals when they get into tangled or caught in it. One way to reduce the amount of trash is for companies to use less packaging on products, things like smaller bottle cap, thinner plastic, and more compact packaging has played a major role in reducing the amount of trash. So this was all about land or soil pollution. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in the comment section if you have any. Or you can also drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. We will surely reply back to your comment. If you want any video related to any particular topic or subject, then feel free to suggest us. You can also follow the channel School Studies on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or Twitter. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.